decided why not. It's been a long time. I'm driving around. It's perfect setting. Why not? So we're gonna be doing some tunnel runs. We might go to a drive-through. And yeah, first things first, we've got to get this car into Sport Plus. First. Okay. We got my police radar.
It's that BMW.
My police radar is currently going off. It might be this car. You know what I want to do? I haven't done yet. 0 to 60 pull.
Oh.
Do you want to do a 0 to 60? Let's do a 0 to 60. Alright, I guess we're doing a 0 to 60 as well.
Temperature? Oh, it's perfect.
The temperatures are all good. Everything's up to good temperatures. First things first, we need to turn off
mode.
traction, don't we? Oh no, sport handling mode. Hold that. So that turns. Now it's completely off. Oh my god. Wait, I need to put it in race mode first, isn't it?
Yeah, race mode's better.
I know this car is fast because it's a stage 2, but I don't actually know what to expect. I've never done this before. Okay. Oh, these roads are a bit. Alright, we cleared up the view. I have never done this before. I don't know what to expect. That looks like a police car behind us, so I'm gonna slow down. The headlights disappeared. Genuinely, the car just disappeared. Alright guys, quickly gonna have to do this. This car's coming behind us. Okay. We are not doing that anymore. We're not doing that anymore. Oh my god. Yo, I am not gonna lie to you guys. I did not expect the car to do that at all.
Oh my days. Yo.
I expected myself to control it. But the car just kept going
I thought we were done.
I genuinely thought the car was finished. No, but I'll be honest. I don't know what I was expecting. I kind of expected that to happen, but I also at the same time, because the car stopped initially, I didn't expect it to release the way it did the second time. Because the first time it held itself back, you saw it.
Yeah.
Second time, it just kept going. I'm like, okay. So this car is stage 2 with basically 1,000 Newton meters of torque, which is absolutely crazy. So obviously that is expected. Wait, let me even, I don't trust this car right now. Okay, traction's on, traction's back on. We're good. I don't think we'll be doing that again. No lights.
Oh, fair enough.
I'm only looking back. His lights are completely off. One thing I realized about cars is in high speeds, a lot of cars tend to have a steering wheel vibration. And now, this car has no vibration at all, which is absolutely nuts. I thought it was normal. It is not normal. What it is either the tire or the wheel is bent or has a little bubbling in it, which is what makes it start vibrating in high speeds. So if you have that, make sure to get that sorted, because it's not normal. I thought it was normal. It is not normal. Even if your car is a little, like, even if it's a little car, get it sorted. Because I thought it was normal for all cars to have a bit of vibration, but it's not. Hold the steering wheel. Do you feel anything?
No.
That's what I'm saying. Before, remember when you were holding and it was
yeah, it was always that little vibration.
Yeah. Now it's completely nothing. That guy's lights are still off.
No, I think they're open. They should be open. It's a welcome break. They should be.
Yeah, it should. Yeah, I think it's open. Yeah, I remember coming here actually.
Alright, I'm gonna throw some stuff out.
So agree at 2. No Red Bull. Finished. but they didn't want to give us Red Bull, so we just stayed there and took some videos and shots of the car. Now we're just gonna move on to another location because why not? It's gonna have some fun while we get to the other shots or other location. Whoa, I thought he was on the wrong side of the road. I genuinely thought the car was gone, you know.
I mean,
as I was doing it, I'm like, am I controlling this or is this like is this out of my control right now?
I thought you had it.
I thought I had it.
We started going too much like this, and I was like, oh yeah.
No, I thought I had it. In my head, I was like, okay, we're sideways now. Should I keep holding the accelerator and try to drift it back, or should I just let it go? To be honest,
if your upshifter was actually working,
yeah,
you could have controlled it by just upshifting.
Yeah, my upshift doesn't work, unfortunately. So that's another reason why I'm getting rid of this car. We're gonna be upgrading soon, guys. So watch out for that. Sorry, sir. I did not mean to scare you. Sorry, lorry driver. Probably like flaming right now.
Probably is. Oh, that was
flame.
Definitely a flame.
Did we put them both the plates?
Yeah, you put them on.
Hopefully.
Pretty sure you did. You had both of them in your hands.
Imagine I didn't.
Oh my gosh.
We're not going show.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Oh, that is show.
Oh, he was about to hit that car.
Yeah, nothing to see here, officer. Why their brothers just parked up and they're probably having a little bit of a
Oh.
I'm not involved.
Not involved, buddy. No.
Oof. Hello. Thank you, bro.
And but it's simplified for me.
Hello.
He can.
He, as I was coming in, he walked to the other room. 2 Red Bulls. Can I have 2 Red Bulls? Huh? No. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
No way.
You got vlogging, yeah?
Yeah, I do like social media and stuff. Yeah. Thank you.
I've seen your Instagram.
Oh shit, bro.
Nice to meet you, bro. I know
too,
about
bro.
you because of him. Yeah, I've seen it.
Thanks,
Don't worry,
bro.
I've seen it all, man. So
Appreciate it,
respect
man.
to you. I respect what
Appreciate
you're
it,
doing, man. That's nice, still. So don't worry, bro. People out in Northwest see you.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it,
Good
bro.
to see you, man.
You too, man.
Come on, man.
Take care, bro.
Take care.
Did you guys?
My boys.
Yo, bro.
We'll link up sometime. Yeah. Good.
Oh, this is the camera guy.
What are you saying, bro? You right?
Come off of my feed, please. You look funny a lot.
Thanks, bro. Thank you, bro.
You know when you're trying to give me this as well.
Everyone knows you.
Bro, I'm trying to sell this, bro.
You know, it's the car, man.
Yeah. It's, yeah. Huh?
Will you be at next?
Probably M5.
I'll see you.
Inshallah, bro. Alright, let's give him an emotional start.
Yeah.
Let's see if they're gonna get scared.
Look, you know what's so funny?
What? Tell me.
Where's my phone?
I'm sorry, this is beautiful. C63S.
Yeah, bro.
Can I record the interior?
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Nice, nice,
One
nice,
second, let me
nice.
get rid of that stuff.
Well, how am I running into the van then? Like, crazy. He's a super sport. Let me go around the back.
Do you put the plate back on?
Yeah, no, it was on this one.
Oh, I thought you took it off when you
No,
recorded
I was
stuff.
trying to take it quickly off, but just a little one.
I'm so scared of the police, bro.
I appreciate you, man.
No worries, bro.
I appreciate you. Man.
Take care, bro.
Oh, you got the stars.
This car's a beauty.
I didn't even see the stars.
Thank you,
you know.
thank you,
That's
bro.
so
Appreciate it.
Are you keeping doing what you're doing as well? You're funny,
Thank you, bro.
wallahi.
Soon
It's
come,
so
soon come.
random. I don't even know what made this guy of all people do it, wallahi.
Bro, everyone should be doing it, man.
Bro, you need to tune that even more.
Huh?
You need to
I
tune
need that
your one even
camera.
more.
Yeah, yeah.
Lord.
No,
Yeah,
wait,
yeah.
wait
See
till
my point of
you.
view
You're
as a
gonna see
driver,
something real soon.
Sure.
I have the
You know what to do. You know where to go.
This is the exact material as well.
Yeah, oh, the radar's going crazy.
That's what I'm
Radar's
saying. It
going
went
crazy.
red for a second. I thought they
Yeah.
pulled in behind us. But I can't even look back properly because my neck is done, bro.
Fuck.
Yeah, these man, they've been driving a bit longer than me. But crazy drivers. It's nice to run into them again, man.
Yeah, I like people like that. I'm not gonna lie. They're fun people.
Yeah. Oh man,
Yeah.
that's crazy.
But anyway, I'm probably gonna wrap up the video here. I'm not even gonna lie. That was good content, good video, good enjoyment, good entertainment, good everything. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe
And
because
we got our Red
we got a Red
Bulls.
Bull as well. Okay.
So that's
So-
mission complete.
Yeah, mission complete. We got everything we needed. Let's have a sip of this. Let's rate it on camera before we actually end the video. So, Julia, have you tried yours? Yeah, you have.
I tried mine.
Yeah, that was banging.